Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use video generator on NeuroViz. Here is a short description of what it's possible to do with it and what is not. Let me explain. It will animate the image that you upload. It's not going to retouch your photo or add any elements that is not related to the image. For example, if you upload in a jewelry or any subject on a white background, you cannot ask it to add things that not on the image. It cannot add any other elements. Basically, you need to consider your input image as the first frame of the video. And then it only can interact and animate things that on the image. Example, let's say we have this image. There is a ring on some creative background. Okay, it was generated with AI. With NeuroViz AI. Here, you can just click Generate, and what it will do, it will create 360 animation. By default, since we're working mostly with jewelry, it will be rotation, okay? And let's see what, without any prompt, what it will do for this image. So here is the video. Let's see what it generated. First of all, look at the video aspect ratio. It matches the image. It's vertical video now. And as you can see, we have rotation. We have slow zoom in without any prompt. So it does exactly what needs to be done with this image. Let's try with let's download it. And let's try it with the prompt. Let's enter this prompt. We have the specific instructions about, again, things that I'm telling you right now, so it cannot animate things that doesn't exist. But if you know what to do, let's proceed. For example, yellow sparkling dust floating in the air around the subject. Why this will work? Because it's related to the scene. It can add sparkles. Yes, sparkles is not here, but it's obvious that it's possible to be some sparkles in the air, especially yellow. Well, it could be any color. Let's try. Let's do 10 seconds. Okay, we have our video generated. It's 10 seconds now. And if you run, well, you see the first frame is exactly what we uploaded. And then it starts adding some elements that we described in the prompt instruction. Basically, it's not a prompt, it's just instruction. So it starts adding these little sparkles, right? This is how it works with creative image when you need to add elements. Let's try something different. Something on a white background, ring like this. Okay, it's horizontal image, so it will be horizontal video. Again, there is nothing, it's just a plain background. In this case, no instructions needed, unless you want some specific rotation, but by default, it will be doing 360 rotation. Okay, let's select 5 seconds, for example. It will be less expensive because more seconds cost more. And generate. Okay, we have animation ready, and here it is. Without any prompt, it's nice rotation. Everything is super clean and, well, exactly what I think will be good for this type of image. I hope you understand now how it works. Again, consider the image that you upload as the first frame of the video. And do not try to add some completely unrelated things to this image. Enjoy.